Finally, guys, the good news for the flow. The Binance removed its flow from the monitoring tag. So this is an announcement they posted 2 days ago, and they extend the monitoring tag for other tokens, but remove it, the monitoring tag for the flow, the one and only token. What does it mean? It's more positive for the flow now because it's out of the risk to be delisted from the Binance. Of course, it's not like a guarantee, so the price should skyrocket to the moon from now, but it's at least positive. So, maybe, of course, they will add it again in the future. But I guess when the team finally stopped at selling their tokens, and I made a post about the flow when I explained what's the point of that latest announcement, what they post about they will run the buybacks. How you run the buybacks if you not generate the profit recent years? Kind of strange. That's why I highly recommend you just go and check that post so you understand everything what's going on behind the scene. All right, let's take a look now. Just this chart, guys. Globally, honestly, I don't think so. We will ever recover back to the main targets again. Let's double check the supply now. I guess it's 100% token supply. Yes, unlock it. But who knows? Maybe. So at least $1, guys, is more than real to see. It's a 2 billion market capitalization, 1.6 billion market cap, $1 price. More than real. With the buybacks, I guess it will be much easier to reach that target. But of course, I think now no makes sense to talk about the like 14 or 20 or 24. So this is a type of fundamental projects. What are people searching for? And I explained it. So the fundamental absolutely mean nothing because the fundamental of flow here absolutely the same like here. So nothing changed by roadmap, by utility, by vision, of the token. But the prices changes. Yes. So be careful now with investments. But now, of course, it's more than okay to buy the flow, I guess. Based on that FIB, I don't think so. We're going to drop to the 27 zone and the level of that FIB. That's why we can hide the FIB. I showed you the direction, but after the August, the whole market is crashed. So we maybe from now will go to first liquidity pool and the second one. And I will be not surprised if, for example, around the $1.27, the flow will end the right for this time. If we count by gains, for example, here from now to reach the $1.27 is 3,000% gain, 3,700% gains. It's amazing result. It's going to be just amazing result if we will see that targets. Usually, it's playing out like impulse, correction, impulse, correction. Impulse now should be the correction, 50% of this drop, close to fulfill monthly gap on that positive news, like 22, around 21, 22 cents, maybe form the double bottom, and then in October we can reach this target. And everybody's talk about we skyrocket to the moon, to the $5, to the $10 and higher price targets, but it's going to be the end, probably. But now, yes, it's more than real to see the rebound at least to 22. If everything will be okay with the financial markets after what the Donald Trump began. All right, so this block is like a magnet now for the upside move. Under, guys, it's just open space. Nobody knows where the flow will stop. Imagine the drop from $40 dump to 1 cent. It's just mind-blowing. With a crazy fundamental. We so underrated, and the fundamental value of this token is 21 cents. As below, fundamental value is going to be 21 cents. So be ready to fix the profit if you want to accumulate now. Take profit line is 57. So also be ready to fix the profit here. Monthly time frame, I guess there is no data. Yes, no data yet. Daily. And by the way, guys, on the weekly time frame, one more example. We need to just wait at least the take profit signal. So here was a sell in December 24, and we need to just open short or just to sell the token and wait if we see the sell on the weekly and wait the signal take profit. That time it appeared at 17 cents. Of course, we can drop even lower, but at least we not stuck here at $1. Let's add alert to the buy. Now, buy on weekly time frame flow. For me, it's going to be the good entry for spot, maybe for speculation. Of course, if I will see the signal to buy, now it's 4 cents and we pump it to 8, for example, definitely I will fix the profit and withdraw my initial deposit. Take profit on a daily now is here. The fundamental value of the line test, it's 410.3. Take profit line, it's 11.48. Exit line is 13 cents. So it's just a matter of time when, but it's not like a price. You have to add alert to the line because the lines are dynamic. I would like to show you also on direction. ADZ I showed you in the previous videos. Market mood direction. Here we pump it, and it's kind of weird, because while we dump it, the whales same time, even the token being under monitoring tag, the whales accumulate. Maybe they knew something. Here was accumulation, here's a buy signal, and we pump. Now it's a disbelief. So usually when we trade in disbelief on a daily, it's a positive. And we are in capitulation zone since September 25. So this is one also great example why I recommend to use the market mood indicator in your strategy, because it showed you that where we need to out. Here was time to out in the March 24 and wait the capitulation zone again. So now based on risk ratio, it's more than okay to buy flow. And the last indicator, guys, I would like to check the money power, the most important. Once again, this indicator showing us where the whales accumulate the tokens. And here, what do we see? 1, 2, 3, money in, 1, 2, 3. 3 weeks in a row, money in. So in average, the entry can be, I don't know, around 10. That's why around 20, 22, we will see some seller pressure again. And just add alert to the money outflow and wait when to out. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about a flow. Do you think we will finally find the bottom or we going lower? If you'd like to trade as my customer, because I would show in this video, is right, Mariam. Don't forget, Joe Mategam Show. See you next time, guys.